Hi, I'm Federico from Vision Tech, and today I want to talk to you about our geared belts, DOLPHINE. DOLPHINE is an innovative product, hybrid between the classic conveyor belts and polyurethane tooth belts. It takes advantages from both products, the versatility of the external surface of the belt and the polyurethane gear of the strap that facilitates the synchronization. Beyond the maximum width of 150mm, the Sharkdrive synchronized guides are available. Advantages: synchronism. They are produced in the pictures TV10, T10, AT10 and H and engage in commercial tooth pulleys. Versatility. Thanks to the variety of external surfaces, they can be used in the many commodity sectors of the synchronized transport of products. Flexibility. The TV10 tooth allows to wrap on rollers with diameters of up to 15mm, even with the counterbending. Customization. All the mechanical processes that can be carried out on the traditional tooth belts can also be realised on our DOLPHINE tooth belts. For example, the Vision T dowels welding, as well as the new openable retractable junctions Vision Mini. Fields of application. They are mostly used in the packaging sector, in robotics, in the industrial automations, for example the production of wooden panels, but also in the food industry where the direct contact with bulk food is expected. For more information you can visit our website visiontech.it. Thank you and see you soon.